Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to repost on TikTok. Now, whether you have an iPhone or an Android and you see a video that you wanted to then repost to all of your followers, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android and navigate to the video you want to repost. Tap on the share button at the bottom right. Look for the repost button in yellow. If you don't see that button, it's because that creator decided not to allow reposts. Tap on the repost button and you can see it says you reposted. To find your repost, tap on profile at the bottom right. Tap on the repost button midway through the screen. And there is the repost I just published. If you wanted to delete the repost, tap on the video, tap on the share icon again, and tap on delete repost. Just like that, you will have deleted that repost and no longer sharing it with your audience. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.